Welcome, Mwalimu Madansi. Today we'll be showing you how to access your laptop webcam for computer vision. Try. This is a challenge. The guys watching my status, the Java programmers, you can try it out. Now, let me first of all run the program. Let me first of all demonstrate how it's working out. Let's do this, then we continue with meme uploading. Let's run the file. That's the output. Let's minimize NetBeans. Now let's click access webcam and wait. And the webcam is on. So Java people using Java programming language, you can try to write your own code, but I will be explaining later. The guys minimize dataset. Now next, memes kama kawaida. That right, fuckers? Yes.